In Whimsy Woods, a laundry pile sparks the bunnies' teamwork for a creative fashion show.
Look at this big laundry pile. Let's make a fun show, Papa Benny.
But it's so big, Mama Rosie.
Can I make sparkly outfits?
Teamwork makes chores fun, Mama Rosie. Let's start together, little bunnies.
Working hard makes our hearts happy. What's first, Papa Benny?
Sort the clothes by bright colors.
I'll grab soft shirts.
I'll pick shiny scarves.
Your kind hearts make me smile.
Let's make it super fun.
It'll be the best, my dears.
We'll make a cozy show.
I'm excited to start, Mama Rosie.
Let's make it a happy day.
Our show will shine so bright.
Can we wear the outfits?
These shirts are super soft, but there's so many, Mama Rosie.
My scarves are shiny and pretty.
Let's sort. Every piece is for our show.
Teamwork makes piles small, Mama Rosie. Let's add cozy socks.
Working together makes chores happy.
Let's grab bright hats too.
Your ideas are so bright.
This show will make us smile.
Let's sort with extra care.
I'm feeling happy now.
You're doing great, my bunnies.
Our piles look so colorful.
Can we make the piles bigger?
Let's keep sorting, little stars.
We're making a rainbow of clothes. Sew the ribbon, Bobby, for Mama Rosie. Make every stitch full of love.
This shirt's so pretty, Papa Benny. It's sparkly with fun.
I'm making shiny scarf capes. They're super bright, Mama Rosie.
You're so creative, my bunnies. What's next, Papa Benny?
Design a hat, Lily, for Mama Rosie.
I'll stitch sparkly star patches.
Making outfits together is so fun.
Let's craft more costumes now.
They'll be super fun outfits.
Soon, my happy bunnies.
Our show's full of sparkle.
Teamwork makes our family happy.
You're making the best show.
I love sewing with you all.
Can we make more hats?
Your ideas make me so proud.
I'm hanging sparkly star streamers. They make our runway so pretty.
I'm placing soft petal paths. They're fun, Mama Rosie.
This runway's so cozy, Papa Benny. It's perfect for our show.
Teamwork makes it special, Mama Rosie. Let's add flowers.
That's a sweet idea, Lily. It'll make our show pretty.
Look at the sparkly meadow bunnies. Let's finish with love.
I'll place my happy signs.
Your kind hearts make it beautiful.
This runway's ready to shine.
Can we start now, Papa Benny?
And show our fun outfits?
Our show's full of happy hearts.
You bunnies did a great job.
It'll be the best ever. This show is so fun, Papa Benny. What makes it special, my bunnies?
Our outfits shine. They're so pretty. Working together makes it fun.
My cape sparkles! I love it! Teamwork feels so happy, Mama Rosie.
Our big pile became a big show. Teamwork did it, Mama Rosie.
Yes, Papa Benny, our hearts are full. What did we learn, my bunnies?
Teamwork makes chores fun and neat.
Helping feels like a cozy hug.
A little shirt makes big love, Mama Rosie.
Yes, Papa Benny, you're so right.
I'll tell about our sparkly capes.
Your creativity makes this meadow shine.
Let's cheer for every outfit, bunnies.
This show is the best ever.
Can we make outfits tomorrow?
Whimsy loves our happy hearts.
More shows soon, Papa Benny.
I love working with you all.
It feels like a big hug.
You're my sparkly show stars.
We made laundry so much fun.
Can we strut one more time?
I want to twirl my cape again.
I'll help fold clothes, Mama Rosie. It's super fun with you.
I'll keep a shiny scarf. It's so pretty, Papa Benny.
Your help is so special. I'm so happy, Papa Benny.
Our show warmed our hearts, Mama Rosie.
Sparkly show, shine with family.
That's so pretty, Lily.
Home's happy hearts, fun never ends.
I love our fashion show day.
Let's make more outfits soon.
Whimsy Woods loves our teamwork.
Dream of fun chores, bunnies.
Under the twinkly starry skies?
What a cozy, happy ending.
You're my sparkly bunny stars.
I'm proud of our show.
It made us all so happy.
Let's keep being creative, bunnies.
We're a happy family team.
Shine with Whimsy Woods.
Design with us soon.
Bye, fashion pals.
Come back soon.
And so, the Hoppin'Wood Bunny family learned teamwork and creativity shine like a fashion show. What sparkles await in Whimsy Woods? Join them soon.